Hello and welcome to Vepaso app. This app is available on Play Store with many features that are useful in our daily lives. You can download this app from Play Store by typing Vepaso and you will get this app. You can download it and install it on your phone. So once you install this app on your phone, so it will ask you for some details like your name, your email ID, your phone and your address, and your sign up will be completed, and then you will be directed to this home page of the Vipasso. You can see the top section is the advertisement section, and below this section you have the all 9 features that are useful to you. Now when you will move to the second page, so you will be provided a unique QR code. Now this unique QR code has many advantages. Let me tell you how you can utilize this QR code. You can take printout of this QR code, or you can also order this QR code from our Vepaso app. So you can order it from here, and one small gift will also be provided from Vepaso, and you can place the order. So you will be provided this QR code at your doorstep. So now you can place your QR code on your vehicle. Suppose that somebody wants to contact you while your vehicle is parked somewhere. So that person can use this first feature, scan QR, and scan your QR code. So then he or she will be directed to a window where he or she can directly text you or can call you without taking your details like your phone number or any other details. So in this way your privacy will be maintained, and at the same time necessary conversation between the two persons can happen. So the second feature is add alert. In this feature you can drop down any message so that any person who scans your QR code, so this message will appear. Suppose that you are in an emergency and you have parked your vehicle in a non-parking area, so you can drop down a message like, I am coming in 20 to 25 minutes, please cooperate. So if somebody will be scanning your QR code, so this message will appear so that a cooperation can happen. So the third icon is emergency. So it is an SOS icon. So suppose you have provided one emergency number during sign up. So when you tap on this icon, so it will be directing you to that particular phone number that you have provided. Now coming to the fourth icon, that is assistance. So it is a roadside assistance feature. So when suppose that you're moving on a highway, so your vehicle breaks down, so you will be just using this icon. So it will ask you to scan your QR code. So when you will scan your QR code, so it will extract your live location, and then it will be directing that your location to a nearby mechanic. So we have tie-up with many mechanics in Delhi NCR, so it will be directing it to the nearby mechanic and they will be coming to your rescue. So the fifth feature is events. So in this feature you can add any event here. You can write down your details like your event name. You can add any image of the event. Suppose that there is a any kind of event like a job fair or Android developers meet or any kind of event. So you can write down the description here, and then you have city part here. So right now we have 4 cities: Gurugram, Delhi, Faridabad and Noida. And you can also suppose that you have selected Gurugram, so you can select to the area where you are organizing an event. For example, if it is a society, you can select it from here, and if it is in any sector, you can broaden that and select any sector like sector 92 or any other sector. So we have an exhausted list here, so you can select any area from here. So then we have date section. You can just add date when your event will be organized, and then here is a contact number so that anybody who is interested in joining your event can contact you directly. So then this is the add option. Then we have somebody who is interested in joining any kind of event, so they can search out the city and the area where they're interested in joining any kind of event. So suppose that we have the Rosalia here. So if they search out, so one event has been added here like bus yatra. So any kind of event you can add in this section. Then we have sixth feature, that is car service. So if you have any kind of car model, so you can select it from here, and then you can select whether it's a petrol or a diesel. Suppose it's a diesel, then you can submit a request from here, then it will be taking it to a second page in which a mechanic or our a team of technical experts will be dealing with you directly, and they will be providing a 30-point check so that you can get a professional car service. Then we can come to the seventh feature, that is a very important feature, Sanjivani. In this feature, suppose that you want to find out the doctors available in your area. So you can just select the city, you can select the area. Suppose that we have many societies here, but like we have Rosalia. So if we select it here, so we have two doctors like dentist and physiotherapist, so you can just find out details, and you can directly call also that doctor for any emergency or any kind of issue you're facing. So similarly, doctors can add medical facilities. They can put the image here, they can put description, what kind of specialization they are dealing with. They can put down the city, they can put down the area and the expert, the specialization, so that people can find out, like if they're interested in orthopedicians, so they can search out the orthopedicians from the list. So this is a very important feature. And then coming to the pool, you might have seen many pool as well. This is different. Here you can add your vehicle for a pool, and the vehicle can be your four-wheeler like car, and it can be two-wheeler like a scooty or a bike. So when you will be adding your vehicle, so you will be directed to this page. You can add a photo of your vehicle, your name, your description, like from you can add any kind of description, then origin city, from where you're moving, for example Noida, Jaipur, or other cities also, the main cities, and the destination. You can select origin area also. For example, if it is suppose Noida, so from Noida, suppose the origin area is TLF Mall, and destination city is Gurugram, and destination area is suppose it is Cyber City. So then you can add the vehicle type, suppose it is car, and available seats like 3. Vehicle model, you can write I-20 or something else. Vehicle number you can add here, and then price per person, maybe 30, whatever you charge. So, and the phone number, so that through this phone number people can contact you, those who are looking for pool services. So this is the first part I have shown you. The second part I have shown you, that is adding your vehicle for a pooling. The first part is looking for pooling services. So in this part, person can select and from which area they want the pooling service. So it may be the narrow search like a society, or it can be a broader search like a sector, from which sector you want to move, or any specific area. It's like it's global heights, and destination city also you can write. For example, it's Rohtak, and in Rohtak we have not means for major for the cities which are not in Delhi NCR, we have not narrowed down the list. So you can search if those who have added the pool services, so you might see all the services available. So in this way you can utilize the pool services. And the last but not the least, very important part is helpline number. So many a times when we are in case of any emergency, what happens is we get puzzled, so we don't get idea at whom to call. So we have placed all the important numbers here so that you can contact in case of any kind of emergency. For example, if it's fire, it's related to police, it's related to ambulance, disaster management, women helpline, air ambulance, and important thing like animal ambulance number. So many a times we see that animals need animals need care, but we don't help. So we have this facility here. We can call animal ambulance. We can also complain for animal cruelty. So these kinds of numbers are here, so you can directly call. So these are the 9 features which can be very useful to you. And specifically in Delhi NCR, we face a lot of problems related to these features. So I think this will be an important app to you. So you use this app and provide your feedback to us on Play Store, and hope you will enjoy it, and we will keep updating it for a better user experience. So have a great journey with Vepaso. Thank you.